Faraday skill tester revolves around throwing 10 1cm near-dimming magnets into different size holes. That I will explain to you in a second. The internal electronics are very simple, as you can see. We have an Arduino Uno as the main controller. We then have 3 separate amplifiers which amplify the signals from the coils, as well as add a DC offset of 2.5 volts so that the controller can read it. Lastly, we have a 7-segment display which is multiplexed and controlled using 2 PN100 transistors. Multiplexing was done as there are not enough output pins on the Arduino. The Arduino is powered from a laptop as we don't have a portable battery source. The whole top and front sections are entirely removable, as you can see here. This allows for easy inspection of the coils and how everything is wired internally. As you can see here, each of the coils are connected to a strip of ferroboard on the top right, and each of those strips has just 2 leads which come out and connect to the amplifiers. This makes it so all the messy wiring is done on the inside instead. Each individual hole is made using PVC tubing and is dropped at 50 turns of 0.3mm copper. The concept behind this design is simply to demonstrate Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whereby if there is a changing magnetic field through a stationary coil, an EMF will be produced that is proportional to the rate of change of said magnetic field. The actual block schematic of how this prototype operates is shown here. Basically, when the magnetic sphere is thrown through the coils, an EMF is produced which is then amplified and a DC offset is added. That signal then gets fed to the ADC port of the Uno, and if that port goes higher than 2.5 volts, the internal score counter is updated and displayed to the user via 7-segment display.